How would you read this hashtag? I'm not sure. Are you? I'm just kidding. It's Susan Album Party. Obviously. Just like you and me, a screen reader can't necessarily make sense of the hashtags it encounters. While there are humorous examples, the reality is, inaccessible hashtags are a consistent problem. There's an easy way to make your hashtags accessible. It's about capitalizing the words to make it clear where one ends and the next begins. The main way to do this is to use Camel Case. No, I'm not kidding. Camel Case is when you run the words together and capitalize all the words after the first one. It's called Camel Case because the humps make it look a bit like a camel. Making accessible hashtags is easy. But to make a stretch camel, we needed more text. Remember, Camel Case is easy to use and makes your hashtags accessible to everyone. Everyone deserves access to the internet. If you need help getting your website up to scratch, visit silktide.com. Did you stick around past the credits? Good for you! Here's your reward. There are a few other funny named naming conventions. Camel Case is like this, Snake Case is like this, and Kebab Case is like this. Just a few more. I noticed the cake is not iced. That mustache must ache. Never let a dragon drag on.